Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you two Louis Vuitton unboxings. So what I'll do in this video is I will share each item one at a time. I will also talk about what made me purchase these and also talk about the prices given the recent Louis Vuitton price increase. I'm sure many of you are curious what the current prices are like. So I'll start with the smallest one. And this item I was alerted to by my SA at the Louis Vuitton boutique. She texted me just a few days ago and she let me know that this item came in, and I'll explain why I snatched it up because some of you I think will be surprised to see that I purchased this, so I haven't talked about it very much. So first let me reveal. Dun 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 dun! Here it is, this little cutie. It is the mini pochette in the monogram. I'll give you a close-up. And for those of you who have watched my previous videos, you know that I already have a mini pochette that I bought last year that I have been absolutely adoring and using pretty much every day. I'll show you, it's sitting right here. And that is this one here in the Damier Ebene. And they're basically twins except for their outerwear. They're wearing different outfits, right? One is the Damier Ebene and the other is Monogram. And I chose the Damier Ebene at the time because I really loved the pop of red. I just love that little pop of color on the inside. And this is a made in France piece, and I was really happy to be able to snatch this up at the boutique. And I really wasn't planning to get another one, but when my SA reached out saying that this was available, I was like, well, these were so hard to come by. And she said, this too is a made in France piece. And I was like, oh my gosh, she knows that I am a sucker for made in France pieces. I only buy, well, so far I've only bought made in France pieces from Louis Vuitton just because, you know, it's my hard-earned money and I only want to buy items that really make me super excited. And for some reason, whether it's irrational or what have you, I do get really excited when it is a made in France piece from Louis Vuitton in particular. So I'll show you the price. I paid $350 US retail for this. That is the new increased price. When I purchased my other one in the Damier Ebene, it was $310. So it's a $40 price difference now from last year to this year. And while $40 may not seem like a whole lot of money, it is actually a pretty big increase considering the percentage. So from 310 to 350, so $40 increase from $310 equates to about 13%. It's like 12.9% increase. So let's just round it and say it's about a 13% increase. So if we assume that each year Louis Vuitton will raise their classic pieces by about 13%, I did the math. By the time my daughter, who is now almost 10 years old, by the time she graduates high school and turns 18, this little cutie, this little mini pochette, will cost almost $1,000. It comes out to about $930. That's assuming 13% increases every year over the next 8 years, which is insane. I mean, it sounds insane in today's dollar, but I guess with inflation and then everything just going up because of demand, I could see that happening. And so I thought, while I don't need an extra mini pochette right now, I really just am happy with the Damier Ebene one, and I've been using it regularly. I am happy to hide this, to tuck this away, keep it in the dust bag and in the box, and save this for my daughter. She hasn't seen it. She really likes the monogram. She thinks it's really pretty, you know, it looks a little florals. She doesn't like the Damier Ebene. She thinks it looks ugly, I guess through the eyes of a 9-10-year-old. It's not that pretty. So I think she would like this one. And this, you know, I'm assuming when she turns 18, the made in France pieces will be even more difficult to get your hands on because so many pieces are coming out of USA now. So I am going to save this. This is not for me. If you see me rocking this, you got to remind me like, ahem, I thought that was for your daughter. But I'm pretty sure I'm just going to tuck it away and it will be stored for a while. And I don't normally do that. I don't normally store things, but this is for my daughter, so it's a little bit different. Now I'm going to move on to the second item. And you'll notice I already pulled off all of the blue ribbons just because I'm really impatient and I had to take a peek for myself, so all the ribbons are on the inside. Now this item really took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting to get this, but actually when my SA reached out and said she had the mini pochette, she had 2 mini pochettes. So I said, oh my gosh, I will definitely buy one, and then can you please save one for one of my friends? And by the time my friend said she would like to take it, it had sold. So my SA said that a colleague of hers just sold it to somebody else and she didn't realize. And it was really like within a span of 10 or 15 minutes. So it went very quickly, which just goes to tell you these pieces really are so highly sought after still. And they're really hard to get unless you snatch them up right when they appear. So long story short, then my friend reached out to my SA and she said, I know the mini pochette is gone, but do you have this piece? Because I'm looking for this piece as well. And lo and behold, my wonderful SA, Janet, she said, actually, I have 2 pieces that came in and they're both made in France. So my friend bought the first one and she let me know. And then I reached out to my SA and I was like, I'll take the second one. So here it is. I'm going to show you without further ado, another monogram piece. Dun, 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 dun. This is the Pochette Accessoire. I don't know if I am butchering that or saying it correctly. My daughter takes French, but I do not speak French, so I don't know. It's the Pochette Accessories. And it is the larger handbag version. I don't know if they sell this as a handbag or an SLG, but it has this short leather strap that is removable, and it has the light vachetta. So I'm not a huge fan of the light vachetta, and I'm not a huge fan of short straps, so I love the fact that this is removable because I will probably use this with a longer strap. I will either put my Pochette Métis strap on here, which I can do a video on that in the future if you're curious to see how that looks, or maybe get a gold chain. We shall see. I will play with this, but yeah, I think that it's a versatile piece. It's highly functional. My sister-in-law has this. She's had it for a long time, and she said it's a really handy-dandy item, so I went for it. And here you go. This is also a made in France piece. I will open it up here. Very smooth zipper, all chestnut brown on the inside. It's a very simple item. And let's see, is the price on here? So I paid $540 US retail for this little mini bag slash clutch slash pouch. I think it is really versatile. There seem to be a lot of YouTube videos out there showing many different ways to utilize this bag, so I'm really excited to have some fun with it. And you guys know I love mini bags and I love crossbody bags, so once I figure out the strap situation, I am definitely going to rock this. And I love the fact that I can wear this pretty much in any weather with any outfit because it is the canvas. I don't have to worry if it gets sprinkled on, if it starts to drizzle or rain or what have you. So I do love this. It is somewhat of an impulse purchase because I wasn't expecting to get this, but I have to say a good SA really knows your style and really knows what you like and you don't like, and also knows what you have and what you don't have. So my SA at the boutique, she's been fabulous. I enjoy working with her. I really enjoy shopping with her because she knows what I'm missing from my collection and what would be, you know, really nice. And also she has deterred me from purchasing items from the boutique where I'd go in, I would try them on, and I'd be hemming and hawing, and she would be like, that's not your style, or you don't seem very comfortable, it doesn't sit right on you. Or so she has actually been very honest with me and has deterred me from buying pieces. And other times that I've been on the fence, she would always say, just sleep on it, and if you come back and it's not here, it wasn't meant to be, you know, don't force it. So definitely not one of those like high pressure kind of sales associates. Super genuine, super lovely. Her name is Janet. She works at the Fifth Avenue flagship store. If you're ever there, look her up because she's a sweetheart, and you can let her know that Hannah sent you. Okay, so let me show you the difference between this and the mini pochette in terms of size, okay? Let me just pull that over in case this is helpful to anyone. So the mini pochette is considerably smaller than the Pochette Accessoire. I'm going to place this inside And you can see there's plenty of room in there. I can still put, for example, my phone, something else over here, a smaller SLG. My card holder can go in here. This is going to be such a fantastic bag. I'm so excited to start using this. Really, really excited. Yeah. Such a hard to come by piece. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to obviously reveal these two to you guys as soon as possible. I know that there was a little bit of anticipation built up because I showed the two boxes on my Instagram account at Hello Catwalk City. So I didn't want too much time to pass before I revealed my new purchases. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have not subscribed yet, we're all about handbags and luxury goodies here. I would love for you to join the fun. Till next time. Bye-bye.